So you've started a YouTube page, but your videos aren't showing up on your home page. Real quick fix. Go up to your account in the upper right corner. Go down to YouTube Studios. And from here, you want to go down to Customization. Click on the Home tab. And turn off Home tab. And Publish. Don't forget to publish. It won't work. Go back and take a preview of your home page. There you go. Your videos are there. This is optional. You can go back into your account if you want your home tab back. Do the same steps. YouTube Studio, Customization, Home tab, and turn it back on. And don't forget to publish. Go back to preview the page. There you go. You got your home page, your video page, and you're set. Thanks for watching.